let's start. Good morning, everyone. I'm your security manager, Mr. Leones. I hope you are doing well today. Thank you so much for taking this time to join us to this important security meeting. We have packed agenda, so let us begin with this discussion. It's really important to us to keep updated and be ready to handle any new challenges that may come to our way when it comes to security. We need to make sure being proactive and keeping up with high standards of safety and vigilance that our team stands for.
So, our operational updates indicate a slight increase in incidents near the east entrance. Mr. Orleans, could you provide more insight into this?
We have actually been noticing a lot of people loitering around that area during late evenings. It seems like it might be connected to changes happening in the neighborhood. To do with this, I talked to the team and asked them to increase patrols in the area. By being more visible there, we hope to not only reduce any potential risk but also show that we're serious about keeping our place safe and looking for everyone inside.
As the investigator within our security team, it's really important for us to dig deep and figure out what's causing these incidents near the east entrance. By conducting a thorough investigation, we can uncover any underlying issues and come up with targeted strategies to deal with them effectively. Well, analyze patterns, gather evidence, and work closely with our team members to get a better understanding of the situation. Our goal is to develop comprehensive solutions that strengthen our security protocols. Let's approach these investigations with diligence and precision, making sure our efforts give us valuable insights to enhance our operational resilience and maintain the highest standards of safety and security.
Our staffing remains stable, but we are actively recruiting more vacant position. Mr. Cataylo, any updates for hiring process?
Um, we're just about done with the interviews for the open security officer position. Um, Once we have finished this the selection process, I will be sure to give an update. It is really important for us to have a team that works well together and knows their stuff. That is why we are looking for people who share our values and of being professional, honest, and committed to keeping everyone safe.
Our next training session is going to be all about emergency response procedure. Since you're our canine handler, your input and expertise will be really valuable for this session. We love to hear your insights and experiences to make sure our team is well prepared for any emergency situation that may rise.
I make sure to include canine protocols in our training so that we have seamless coordination during emergencies. Training and development are really important for us to keep improving. By equipping our team with the right skills and knowledge, we can respond effectively to any security challenge that comes our way.
Client feedback had been positive overall, but we received few inquiries regarding access control policies. Ms. Ikay, could you address this?
I'll make it a priority to review our access control policies with the client and address any concerns they, they may have promptly. Building and maintaining strong clients relationships is crucial for our success. By being proactive in addressing inquiries and feedback, we demonstrate our commitment to provide exceptional security service that we meet the needs and exceptions of our clients, let us continue our working together to ensure their satisfaction and trust in our services.
Our security protocols and procedures have been effective, but we need to remain vigilant. Mr. Orleans, any updates on procedural reviews?
We're always on top of things by conduct regular reviews. This helps us identify any areas where we can improve and make sure we follow all the industry standards by continuously evaluating and enhancing our security protocols. We're better prepared to handle any risk that comes our way and respond quickly to any security incidents.
Our budget remains on track, but we need to be mindful of upcoming expenses. Mr. Cataylo, could you provide me a summary of our financial report?
Um, of course, Mr. Leones. Our financial report shows that we are doing well within the budget for this quarter. We might need to make some minor adjustment for the projections in the next quarter. By being transparent and careful with our finances, we make sure that our operations stay fiscally sound, allowing us to allocate resources efficiently to support our security initiatives.
Safety is our top priority always, Miko. Can you update us on the safety measures for our civilian workers?
Sure, Mr. Paul. We're taking comprehensive steps to mitigate risk of our civilian workforce. This includes addressing excavation hazard, workplace violence, and ergonomic stressors. We have strict hazard communication protocols and emergency response training in place. We're also focusing on preventing electrical and fire hazard through regular inspection and maintenance. Additionally, we're enhancing for safety training and ensuring everyone knows evaluation procedures regarding health concern. We continue various prevention strategies with frequent and sanitation, frequent sanitation, social distancing enforcement, and providing professional protective equipment. Our goal is to exceed safety regulation for well-being of every team member.
That's great to hear, Miko. It's really important that we stay proactive in identifying and controlling this risk. Keep up and make sure we maintain a safe working environment for everyone.
Before we conclude, let's outline this our next step and our action items. Each member, please review the minutes and follow up assigned tasks promptly. By fostering an accountability and clear communication, we ensure our collective efforts are coordinated effectively towards achieving our security objectives. For closing remarks, thank you everyone for contribution for today's meeting. Your dedication maintaining security and safety is commendable. Let's continue to work together towards our shared goals until next time. Stay safe and vigilant. As we conclude this meeting, let us make sure that we take our momentum and insight, insights we gain today and use them to enhance our security operations. Our goal is to uphold the highest standard of excellence in safeguarding our premises and ensuring that the well-being of everyone under our care. Thank you.